In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity Scheduling into WordPress. If you're looking for a way to seamlessly integrate scheduling into your website, Acuity Scheduling is an excellent tool for managing appointments and bookings online. Whether you're a small business owner, a coach, or a service provider, embedding Acuity Scheduling into your WordPress site can make it easy for clients to book directly with you, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide. If you don't already have an Acuity Scheduling account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by logging into Acuity Scheduling. Open your browser and head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Next, enter the email address that's associated with your Acuity account. It's important to use the correct email here because this ensures that you'll log into the right account without any issues. After entering your email, click the Next button to proceed. Now, depending on how your account is set up, you'll either select Continue with Google if your account is linked to Google, or you'll manually enter your password. If you're using the Google option, simply choose the Google account that's connected to your Acuity Scheduling setup, and you're in. Now that you're logged into Acuity Scheduling, let's move on to the next step, accessing the embed code. From your dashboard, navigate to your scheduling page. You'll usually find it under sections labeled Scheduling Configurations or Settings. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to explore these areas within your dashboard. Once you're on the scheduling page, look for a link or menu option that allows you to access more detailed scheduling options. Click on it to open up additional settings. From these options, select the one labeled Embed Other. This is where you'll find the code that allows you to embed Acuity Scheduling onto other platforms like WordPress. Once you've located this section, you'll see a button to either copy link or copy code. Click this button to copy the embeddable code snippet. This code is what you'll need to integrate Acuity into your WordPress site. With the embed code ready, let's move into the final phase, embedding it into WordPress. Open your WordPress site in your browser and log in to the WordPress editor. Once you're logged in, decide where you want the Acuity Scheduler to appear. You can either choose an existing page or post, or if you're creating a brand new page for scheduling, go ahead and create that now. After selecting the page or post, switch to the HTML or text editor mode within the WordPress editor. This step is crucial because the embed code won't work properly in the default visual editor. Once you're in HTML mode, find the spot where you'd like the scheduler to appear and paste the embed code into that location. Before you publish the page, it's a good idea to preview it. This lets you confirm that the scheduler appears exactly how you want it, and that all the functionality is working properly. Take a moment to test it, and ensure that clients will be able to book appointments without any issues. If everything looks good, you're ready to publish the page and make it live. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Acuity Scheduling into your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your clients to book appointments directly from your website, saving both you and them valuable time. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.